Today's video topic is, does eating breakfast really make you healthier? Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day. But does it really make you healthier? There's a lot of debate around the topic and many conflicting opinions. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the research and try to answer this question. Studies show that breakfast eaters tend to have healthier habits. One of the main reasons that breakfast is claimed important for our health is that people who eat breakfast tend to have healthier habits overall than the people who don't. According to studies, people who eat breakfast tend to consume more good nutrients throughout their day and have better overall diet quality than those who skip breakfast. They are also more likely to engage in physical activity and less likely to smoke. Skipping breakfast does not cause weight gain. Another common belief is that skipping breakfast can lead to weight gain. This is based on the idea that skipping breakfast can make you eat more at lunch. But, according to some studies, the extra food you eat at lunch is not enough to compensate for the calories you missed at breakfast. So, many studies claim that there is no significant difference in weight loss between people who eat breakfast and those who skip it. Eating breakfast does not boost your metabolism. Unlike how many people think, eating breakfast does not significantly boost your metabolism. While eating breakfast does increase the thermic effect of food, which is the energy your body uses to digest and process food, this effect is not significant enough to have a measurable impact on overall metabolism and the calories you burn in 24 hours. Skipping breakfast may even have some health benefits. While breakfast has been known as a very important meal for decades, there is some evidence to suggest that skipping it may have some health benefits. This is because skipping breakfast is a part of many intermittent fasting diets, which have been shown with studies that they are reducing weight and improving overall health. So, does eating breakfast really make you healthier? The answer is it depends. Eating breakfast may be beneficial for some people, especially if it helps them maintain a healthy overall diet and lifestyle. However, there is not enough evidence to suggest that skipping breakfast is harmful to health or causes weight gain. In fact, there may even be some potential health benefits to skipping breakfast. The most important thing is to do what works best for you. If you are not hungry in the morning, don't force yourself to eat breakfast. If you enjoy eating breakfast and you find it helps you maintain a healthy lifestyle, then continue to do so. The key is to find a healthy eating pattern that works for you and promotes overall health and well-being.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.